Hi everyone. I'm going to walk you through how to upload your proof of vaccination to the UCheck site. It's a simple way to help keep our community safe. Step 1. First, you'll need an accurate digital record of your final dose of vaccination. If you received an electronic receipt by email, you can use that. You can also download proof of your vaccination. Or if you have a paper receipt from the vaccine provider, just take a picture of it with your phone to create a digital record. Check to make sure all the information shown is correct. If your proof of vaccination isn't in English, you'll need to provide a translation as well. Step 2. Now log into UCheck. Answer the first question, are you fully vaccinated? If you're not sure, check out this page, utoronto.ca/utogether/vaccines. Step 3. Then upload your proof. You can upload more than one document if you're providing a translation as well. Once your proof is uploaded, you can go ahead and complete the rest of the UCheck questions. Everyone needs to complete UCheck before coming to campus. Thanks for keeping our community safe.